welcome back to my channel, Neil Brown Explores. We've found our way into this cottage, and you can tell it's been empty for a long time. Well, not lived in, but it is a hoarder's house. So try and make our way around. Let's see if we can. Right, just here through the door. There's a freezer there. See, it's just stored. Was this a toilet? Yeah. Just stacked with stuff. And back out here. With all these tools, chains. And look at the kitchen. Look at that for an old cabinet. Everything's still in there. So the ceiling's starting to give away there. It's still got washing up to do. There's still stuff on the draining board. Got the kettle, pots. Stuff everywhere. Still pans on top of the cooker. Oh. Obviously wearing a mask because of the mould and dampness. There's an old, let's see if I can get a bit closer, heater or oven in the corner. So I've got cups and that in there. Cobwebs all the way around the taps. Oh shit. But don't think there's any bloody chance getting in here. Oh shame, it goes all the way over there. There's some picture in the corner. I'm not zooming into that because the person who owned this has passed away, but the family are still around, but they don't really come here. But I'll sod it. Oh, there's a bloody fishing rod in there. I've got my fucking caught on some string. I just don't think the floor is safe here. Let's look at it in here. That's the back door there, so it's surprising there's no way in. cabinet there, still full of ornaments. Oh. I can't really get any further. Keep putting my glasses on and it bloody steams up. But if I can get in there, in the corner there, a blanket of cobwebs. You can see it, that picture there of the bird, like shiny type. I had one like that when I was a kid. Just look at it in here. It's everywhere. There is an upstairs, but I don't know how safe it is. There's them cobwebs over there. Might be able to see it now. Yeah, sorry if it goes out of focus. Like I said, with my glasses, with my mask on, it steams up. Right, I'm going to stop filming here for now because I want to take some pictures, because I don't want to have to keep climbing in and out. Okay, hopefully we see you upstairs. Okay, I'm at the bottom of the staircase. I'm just going to work my way up. Big old long boots, fishing boots or whatever. Right. It's not that high up. Look, first thing, look at that little old TV. Holy shit. There's stuff everywhere. Boxes. That stuffed pigeon over there. Is that a pigeon or a seagull? Let me try and... Look. Wow. It's just boxes and boxes. Look at the mould. Knitting or knitting set. Little plate there. There's the pictures stuck against the wall. You can't see the floor. Look at that wardrobe. Wardrobe's empty there. The postcard. No address on it. It's blank. There's books everywhere, but just crusty white mould. Picture there. Oh, turn the light down too far. Ceiling given away there. So I'll just been in. So whoever's like this, where the bloody, or he or she, where the bloody hell did they sleep? Oh, there's a bed set there, but it's covered in boxes. Oh, this picture here faded away. So faded. Oh, newspaper cut in there. That's stapled into the box, so I'm not going to rip it out. Costume jewellery there. Suitcase, old vintage suitcase, but it's empty. Toothbrush and that in there. Oh, there is clothes in there. Let's see if I can get there. Not too close, but there's a little stereo there. Books. Don't know if that's a bed light. But there's another chest of drawers. Still got stuff in. There's a handbag on the floor. Yeah. Still got the bedding on. You probably won't be able to see because of all the stuff on it. Cabinet over there. I can't get. Can I? There's a tin of buttons there. Oh, it's where the ceiling's given away, so I'm not going to go over there. A little purse. Wildflowers. There's a name in there. This is spider webs, bloody hell. Sunglasses. Look at that. Put that in that pot for. I was quite amazed. Right. There's that little TV. I've had a look at tins of food, but they're so rotted. There's no date on them. glasses. There's a tin here. Can't see anything. It's not been opened. And it's bloody empty. What's that? Let's see if there's a date on this coffee. Can't bloody see because my glasses are steamed up. Is that 2020? It can't be. Oh yeah. But you can tell it's been a lot longer than that. Okay, so that's it. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and see you all again soon. Take care, bye bye.